Self-improvement doesn't have to be overwhelming. In fact, it can start with just 2 minutes. That's right, 2 minutes to kickstart a habit, shift your mindset, or take a tiny step toward a better you. Today I'm sharing 8 unconventional yet simple principles to help you grow, feel better, and crush your goals. Let's make self-improvement fun, practical, and totally doable. 1. The water hack. Hydrate to dominate. Let's start with something so simple. Drink more water. But here's the twist. Don't just sip water, gamify it. Get a giant, obnoxiously large water bottle, I'm talking 1 liter minimum, and challenge yourself to finish it by noon. Refill it and do it again by dinner. Why? Because hydration is the ultimate life hack. It boosts energy, clears brain fog, and even improves your mood. Plus, the act of chugging water feels like a mini victory every time. Hydration equals instant upgrade. Eat like a caveman, but smarter. Here's a rule. If it comes in a box, question it. Processed foods are packed with stuff your body doesn't need, chemicals, preservatives, and mystery ingredients. Instead, go for whole, real foods. Think fruits, veggies, nuts, and lean proteins. But here's the fun part. Make it a game. Next time you're at the grocery store, try to fill your cart with foods that don't have ingredient labels. Your body will thank you, and you'll feel like a nutrition ninja. The gratitude game changer. Gratitude isn't just a buzzword, it's a superpower. Here's how to make it stick. Every night, write down 3 wins from your day. They can be big, got a promotion, or small, finally fixed that squeaky door. But here's the twist. Add a why. Why are you grateful for that thing? This forces you to dig deeper and truly appreciate the good stuff. Over time, you'll train your brain to spot the positives, even on tough days. Read something that sparks joy. Reading doesn't have to mean dusty old textbooks. Read what excites you. Whether it's a thriller, a self-help book, or even a comic, the goal is to engage your brain and spark curiosity. Here's a hack: pair reading, with a habit you already have. Read a chapter while you eat breakfast or listen to an audiobook during your commute. Knowledge is power, and it's easier to absorb when it's fun. TED Talks, bite-sized brilliance. If you're short on time but hungry for inspiration, TED Talks are your best friend. These 10-20-minute talks are like brain candy, packed with ideas, stories, and insights from some of the world's brightest minds. Here's a challenge. Watch 1 TED Talk a week. Pick a topic you know nothing about. You'll expand your horizons, spark new ideas, and maybe even discover a passion you never knew you had. Forgive to free yourself. Holding on to anger is like carrying a backpack full of rocks. Forgiveness isn't about the other person. It's about setting yourself free. Here's a practical step. Write a letter to someone who hurt you. Pour out all your feelings. Then burn it. It's a symbolic way to let go and move forward. Forgiveness equals lighter shoulders and a clearer mind. Find your squad. You are the average of the people you spend the most time with. So, surround yourself with people who inspire you. Join a club, attend a workshop, or hop into an online community. Here's the key. Be intentional. Don't just join any group. Find one that aligns with your goals and values. Whether it's a book club, a fitness group, or a mastermind, your squad can be your secret weapon for growth. Celebrate the tiny wins. We're so focused on the finish line that we forget to celebrate the steps along the way. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Finished a book? Treat yourself to a fancy coffee. Hit a fitness goal? Do a victory dance. Here's why this works. Celebrating releases dopamine, the feel-good chemical that motivates you to keep going. So, give yourself permission to party, even for the little things. Self-improvement doesn't have to be complicated. It's about small, consistent actions that add up over time. Start with one of these principles today and watch how it transforms your life. Remember, growth is a journey, not a destination. Take it one step at a time, and don't forget to celebrate along the way.